Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, today we're going to be looking at the underhood fluids of the 2009 Smart Fortwo model 451. This will apply to any of the model 451s that I'm aware of. Once you've opened the hood and got it hanging on its supports there, you can take a look here on the right as you're looking at it. This is going to be your antifreeze. It shows a min and a max level right there, so you're going to want to make sure that the level is up to that max level. Then you had your windshield washer fluid right here. You can fill it through that hole. And then over here on the other side, right there, with the yellow and black cap, you have your brake fluid. One thing to note is this one does call for .4 brake fluid, which is not as common, it seems, as the old .3 fluid. If you were going to work on your AC, the AC would be right down under there if the car had AC. In this particular case, it does not. So that is the underhood fluids of the 2009 Smart 451. Applies to all the 451 models as well. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.